We believe that a large number of you have never heard of this seed, although it exists for thousands of years. The Aztecs mentioned chia for the first time as basic food, which was used as part of religious ceremonies, and also for medicinal purposes. What are the main benefits of chia seed? Chia is the richest plant with omega-3 fatty acids, protein and fiber, and also contains a significant number of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Chia seed is excellent for skin regeneration and also burns fat, strengthens the body and positively affects on the digestive organs. Nutritionists agree that chia seed is one of the best for consumption if you feel weak, without energy and effects on the muscle work, and releases energy in your body. This is why it is used often by athletes. This seed contains 37% nutritional fibers that stimulate the work of intestines. Diet or strict diet based on consumption of this seed prove to be brilliant as prevention of colon cancer. Reasons why you should consume chia seed every day. This kind of seed does not contain gluten. Due to its high concentration of fiber, it improves digestion and treats the symptoms of digestive system diseases. Due to its 20% of omega-3 fatty acids inside, is considered as one of the best foods for brain and heart health. The seeds contain 8 times more omega-3 fatty acids than salmon. Contain 20% protein. Contain 8 types of amino acids. The seeds are very powerful antioxidant and have 4 times more antioxidants than blueberries. Contain 5 times more calcium than milk. Contain 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. They contain 2 times more potassium than bananas. They contain 3 times more iron than spinach. Encourage healthy skin, hair and nails. Have positive impact on the glucose levels inside the blood, and therefore are excellent for diabetics. Chia seeds are great alternative for eggs. Just mix them with water to create gel, and add them to recipes as replacement for eggs. How many seeds you need to consume in order to see the effect? Nutritionists recommend about 1 tablespoon of chia seeds daily, and when you use them, consume also large amounts of water, because they are very rich in fiber. How can we consume chia seeds? Chia seeds have very mild and pleasant taste. The simplest way is to blend the seeds with some smoothie, or to place them inside some vitamin-light salad, or you can eat just them. Soak them into water for 15 minutes, just enough to grow to a size that is 10 times larger than their usual appearance. Same as with the oatmeal, when the seed is larger, it is more likely that it will relieve you from the gut hormone, which tells you that you are full. When this seed is mixed with coconut milk, and blend with almonds and pineapples, becomes one very healthy and tasty treat. Also, you can add the seeds into the dough for bread or muffins.